Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Um, here you got the cars. Been working on the BMW. Got the stock motor back in because I need to do the smog. But after I do the smog, I'm gonna pull the motor out and then start working on the M52. So there's gonna be a lot of videos coming out for this car. Here we got the XF. It's all dusty, as you can see. Got the stock wheels, sleeper mode. So let me show you guys what I'm working on today. So as you guys know, we've been having issues with this car hooking. They don't prep at the track I go to. So I was having a lot of wheel hop. If you guys go back to my videos where this last time I went to the track, I was wheel hopping really bad. So I couldn't hook. I was getting 1.9 60 foots, and I already broke 2 CV axles and a drive shaft. So now it's time to upgrade the suspension. I haven't done anything to the suspension. I only got lowering springs in the front. That's about it, and then the stock springs in the back. That's it. So now I need to take care of this wheel hop, and I don't know. I can't really find anything for this car. I know for the Mustangs, Camaros, Hellcats, they got stiff. What's it called? Stiff differential mounts. What's the thing that holds the diff? It's called cradle. Yeah, they got the mounts for the cradle. Pretty much anything. For this car, I couldn't find anything. Here it is right here. So I'm gonna be using this to hold the diff onto the cradle. I think that's what it's called. It's the metal thing that holds the differential. I think it's called a cradle. So yeah, this is gonna bolt onto the diff, and then I'm gonna weld this into the cradle, and then it's gonna bolt into the diff. So it's gonna be solid. It's not gonna move whenever I launch the car, because these cars, all the cars actually from factory, they come with rubber mounts, and they're made to flex. So whenever you launch or do a burnout, the diff is flexing, and you don't want that. That will make your tires wheel hop, and that's why you got solid mounts for pretty much anything, to prevent that from happening. So what I'm gonna do is this homemade diff brace. I'm gonna paint this probably purple. I'm gonna sand it down and then paint it purple so it looks nice. Oops. And then I got a bolt that I bought. Where's it at? Oh, it's right here. So this is the bolt that you're gonna need. This is a part number right there, 13898. You're gonna need this bolt. I got this from AutoZone. So this is all you're gonna need right here. Your custom made diff brace, and then the bolt. Let me measure this thing for you guys. I wanna show you guys the thickness. Yeah, this is about 5 millimeters. So not bad. Alright guys, so it's gonna look something like this. like this. So this, it's gonna be welded, so it's gonna be welded like this, and then the nut, the bolt's gonna go right in here. The bolt, the diff already has a hole for the bolt, so you need to worry about that. Alright, so like I said, you have to trim probably about 10 millimeters, maybe about here, because the hole in the diff is not deep enough, so it only goes up to like right here, and you got all this thread right here sticking out. So I'm gonna cut like about here, so that way it goes in all the way in. That's the bolt right here. Let me measure it. So if you get the same bolt, I already showed you guys the part number. I got mine at 35 millimeters. So 35 millimeters. It should be ready to go in. Alright guys, what do you guys think? Kind of want to leave it like this, honestly. I don't know. Should I paint it purple? I think it's like a candy purple. Let me show you guys real quick. It's that one right there. I don't know. Kind of liked it like this. Here it is. So while it's drying out, I'm gonna race up the car and start moving the welder over there, so I can start welding. I'm just gonna let it. Alright, let me put on my helmet and finish welding this. Alright, so I got the brace welded. Just don't make fun of my welds. I'm still learning. But here it is. Oh man, those welds. But it's in there. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's solid. It's in there. So I'm just gonna go over with the purple spray can so it doesn't rust. So it's time to put the bolt in with the washer. I want this as tight as possible so it doesn't vibrate. There it is. Ain't going anywhere. This diff is solid, man. Let me know what you guys think. This looks nice from here. I just don't like those welds. Maybe later on I'll grind this down and weld it again. I need the gas to, I think it's called the argon, so the welds can come out better. Alright guys, so really excited to see how the car does this time. We'll go to the track. It's gonna be this weekend, so hopefully it runs a lot better. So can't wait. I'll see you guys when we go to the track. So thank you guys for watching.